Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to allow calls when smart driving is on in your Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart services. Okay, click smart services. And okay guys, here in smart services, okay, you only have to do is go to smart driving. Okay guys, here in smart driving, okay guys, if your smart driving is on, okay, you only have to do is go to do not disturb driving. Okay, click this. And okay guys, in do not disturb driving, okay, in incoming calls, okay, you can see the allow calls from. Okay guys, here you can select the allow calls from. Okay, and okay guys, the pop-up will show, and okay, there are option here, the allow calls when the smart driving is on. You can select the none by clicking the none. And okay guys, you can also set in contact only, or you can set via favorite contact only. And okay guys, I decide to set into contact only. So okay guys, if you set the contact only, okay, only your contact are receive their calls to your phone on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.